unboxing is Human Town by Alan Durant and Anna Doherty, and it's from Tiny Owl. And I think the elephant is holding a poster. It's definitely an urban environment, this Human Town perhaps. And then there's sort of these like ghost-like apparitions or nature surrounding it. I don't know if this page is glued funny. Okay, there we go. So here are the animals. And they want to go to Human Town, but there's hardly any humans left. It's interesting. It has like the sidebar that's like, as if they're telling the story. I don't know. That's like I'm not quite sure like what that means. Maybe it's just like the second page, like as if it's a spread, like a page turn. Okay, so they go to Human Town, which is kind of like a zoo for animals or for elephants to look at humans. And there's lots of animals here and humans. And it looks like the mini BART is closing down. There's a park. Oh, there's a stream full of trash. They don't look after their environment. They don't. So it's about humans destroying the planet. And here's all the pollution. A farting car, yes. And here are the humans, they're fighting. And this is why there aren't very many humans left. And here they're watching. It's like too much screen time. Oh my goodness. And then Human Town ends up closing down due to extinction. So this is a real statement. I love it. Because it's like, it turns the whole endangered animals on its head. And it's showing, you know, the true culprits of who's destroying the environment. So this is a great story for Earth Day. And I like how it's, you know, it makes you, it's kind of like Planet of the Apes, you know what I mean? It turns the whole dynamic on its head and then makes you look at everything differently. Okay, well, thank you to Tiny Owl for Human Town. I think this is a really clever story. Perfect for, you know, April Earth Month and year round. And it's like it's a way to examine, you know, what the elephants are saying and to look around your own neighborhood and say, like, is that true? And if it is, what can we do to make our environment better?